Hi, my name is Theo, and today I'm going to show you how to set up ParityVend No-Code and take your business to a global level. Let's get started. First, open the ParityVend website. The link is in the description. Next, navigate to the pricing page. I will choose the free plan. After this, you need to create an account or log in. For a faster process, I will use Google. Once you're signed in, we're ready to move forward. Click Get Started button to activate the plan. Shortly after, the ParityVend dashboard will open. This is your main tool for managing and configuring anything related to ParityVend. For this tutorial, we will integrate ParityVend with a website called interstellarseo.com, which is an SEO agency website. Now, let's create a project. In ParityVend, a project acts as the main entity that controls how your integration works. Click on the Create Project button. This is the first step in creating a project. Here, you need to enter your website's domain. You can simply copy-paste your website link, and ParityVend will automatically extract the domain name for you. In the second step, you can choose how the no-code banner will look. Although the Interstellar SEO website has a quite unique look, ParityVend has 99 pre-made designs, ensuring a perfect fit for every website. Click here to change the design. Thanks to ParityVend's dynamic preview feature, you can see all your changes in real time. Let's go with Glass Light. ParityVend No-Code offers wonderful customization options. I will change my banner's text. You can use 12 text presets as a starting point. I will change my banner text to this. Again, all changes you make are reflected in the preview below in real time. We are ready to move forward. This is the last step in project configuration. Here, you need to configure which discounts you will offer to different country groups. ParityVend offers some Hindi presets, so I will use the 0-30% discount for this SEO agency website. For each country group, you can see a list of individual countries on the left and the corresponding discount with the coupon code on the right. You can easily change this configuration by dragging and dropping countries. Everything is customizable. Now, I will insert my coupon codes for the country groups where I want to offer discounts. Let me do it quickly. ParityVend displays a warning here, saying that I have left some of the fields empty. This is okay, it was intentional. Let's continue. That's it, the project is successfully created. ParityVend has generated the integration code, which now needs to be inserted into the website. Click on the Copy Code button. All that is left is to paste this code into the head section of the website. I will open interstellarseo.com code. Scroll down until you see the closing head tag. Paste the code right there. ParityVend documentation has a lot of guides on how you can insert the integration code for platforms such as WordPress, Wix, Framer, and many others. Now I will publish the changes. Once you have inserted the integration code, refresh your website. Amazing! The ParityVend No-Code banner is successfully displayed. The selected design fits well with the colorful graphics of interstellarseo.com. Now your business is on the path of becoming global, all thanks to ParityVend's automatic solutions. This is how easy it is to take your business worldwide with ParityVend, all in less than 7 minutes. ParityVend, the key to your global success.